Hey everyone, Awesome Disney Toys here, and today we're bringing you Fun with Fruit by Small World Living. We can create healthy fruit dishes with real slice and peel action. We get a cutting board and a knife to cut the fruit. Our first fruit is an apple. Remember, an apple a day will keep the doctor away. Here's a pear. Pears are pretty good when you put them in baked goods. How do you guys eat them? Here's a watermelon. Perfect for a hot summer day. This is a peach. I love the taste of peaches, and I'm always reminded of James and the Giant Peach. Did you guys ever watch that? Here's a strawberry. I like putting strawberries in my smoothies. This is a banana. Did you guys know that bananas are one of the most popular fruits? They're also rich in vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. So if you need some energy, be sure to eat one of these. This is a plum. Plums are really delicious. Here's an orange. I know a lot of people drink orange juice, but if you can, try eating an actual orange. Fruit juices can be high in sugar and corn syrup. Here's a grape. Make sure you don't swallow the seed when you eat it. This is a lemon. It's really sour when you eat it on its own, but it goes really well with other things. And our last fruit is a pineapple. Who lives in the pineapple under the sea? Let's say it together. SpongeBob SquarePants! Well, this was a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to watch more. See you soon. Also, if you haven't done so already, be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The links are in the description box below.